In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Twitter tracker for meme coins. So this one I'm going to show you is actually completely for free and integrated into an amazing trading platform over here called Axiom Pro. So there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up to Axiom Pro using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Now, from here, once you have your Axiom Pro account, to actually set up the Twitter tracker, you want to go over here to Trackers, which is the third tab. And in here, you can click on Customize Feed, and this is where the magic happens. So you see My List and Subscriptions. So My List is essentially your list that you're creating and you're wanting to follow, so the one you're tracking, and Top Subscriptions tab is basically the most subscribed and most boosted people over here via their handles over here, sorted from 1 to I think 1.5k, if I'm not mistaken. There we go. Yes, there's about 1.5 thousand of them over here. And you can see which ones are doing the best and getting the most boosts and most subscribers. So the way the boosts work is people who actually are trading Solana. So for example, you earn 1 boost per 1 Solana, then you can boost different people over here and give them a higher ranking, which means likely these people on top most of the time will be the most followed and the most liked when it comes to their tracking. So you can actually add these people very easily by clicking this plus button over here. And as you can see, I've just added these 5 to my list like this. If I go to my list, there we go, they've now been added. So if you actually want to boost them yourself as well, you can click on this boost button, and in case you have any boosts available, so as I said, for every 1 Solana traded, you get 1 boost, you'll be able to boost them and basically boost their rankings on the Top Subscriptions feed. Now, what also makes this Axiom Twitter tracker amazing is that you can either hide or show tweets, you can hide or show profile updates, or hide or show follows, which is, in my opinion, very good because you can filter through these, and then you can also remove different people from lists if you don't want to follow them anymore. So for example, let me just, remove this one, and there we go, it's been removed with 1 click. But that's not all. What you can also do is add your own Twitter handles. So you can go to add handle, top right over here, and you can enter in a username and add that person. So for example, let's say you want to add like Elon Musk or someone like that. There we go. You want to, of course, first know their handle. Click on add, and there we go. They've been added to your list just like this. Now, you can also import them and export them, which is amazing. So if you know any streamers or maybe those different people who are professionals at these things and trade very good, you can ask them if they can give you basically their top list over here, or some of those people also have them in the descriptions on YouTube, in their servers, etc. And you can just get them, export those, and import them into here, and you can basically have their lists over here. So the people they follow and track on Axiom. The way they can do this, and if you would like to do that yourself, you can export it as well by clicking export, and it will be copied to your clipboard. And then if you go to import, you'll be able to paste that in just like that. Click on import, and with 2 clicks, that's done. So that's how it's going to look like. You can paste it in here if you want to. Now, you can click that X button, and there we go. So what's also amazing is that when you go to Twitter alerts, this is where you can see everything going on. If nothing is showing, go to discover or a different tab to refresh, go back to trackers, and there we go. As you can see, it is now updated. Now, what's also great about this is that actually you can see this at any screen and you can have it as an overlay. So look, if I go over here, currently it's not showing, but if I click down here, Twitter tracker, it's gonna pop up and it's gonna stay on my screen. So if I go to any of these screens, it's always gonna stay on top over here. And you can also pin it wherever you want. So like on the left side of your screen, like this, there we go. And wherever I go, I'm always up to date with what's going on. You can also put it like to the right if you want to. And at the bottom, I think, as well, which is, of course, amazing and always very handy. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and yet again, there's a link down below in the description, and as well in the pinned comment. You can check it out if you want to. And yes, I hope this video helped you out. As I said, if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.